Hello, this is Michael at My Crooked Road Homestead. Hope everyone's getting along all right today. Well, it's just a beautiful morning out this morning. It's going on 7 o'clock and I'm out here. Grass is still not growing, which I'm glad of. But anyway, I want to show you my new latest project that I've been working on. Here it is. Now, this is my base. This is the base. This is going to be another rabbit tractor, is what it's going to be. But I'm going to do this one different. I'm going to put this one where it's on the ground. And what you're looking at here is this is actually the bottom of it. These are the skids that it's going to run on and everything. I'll flip it over and then I'll show you if I can. I'm going to try to flip this over. I'll get it here in the center. Flip it over. Let's see if we can get it up there. There we go. That's the way it's going to lay on the ground. And that way the rabbits will be on the ground and they can get grass or whatever, and they'll be pooping. But what I'm gonna do is this is 8 foot long. It's 2 foot wide. I've only got 2 foot wire, and this is 1x2 wire. There's my 1x2 wire, and I've got another roll of this coming. It's 1/2 by 1 inch. I got 2 rolls of that ordered. They're 25 foot each, but I'm gonna be able to build 2 of these. What it's gonna give me is 4 more cages because I'm gonna take this. And then here in the center, 4 foot mark, I'm going to split it. I'm going to make a pin on each end of it. And what I'm building these for, I'm making them bigger. And I'm down here, I haven't got it yet. I still have to build it. But I haven't decided whether I want to put them in the center. In the center of this, I'm going to have a board here. I've got one of these. I'll have one of these in the center, like that. That'll split them up, and it'll give them each 4 foot. Is what it's going to do. And I might just go ahead and put their boxes in here. I'm making these for my does. I'm going to build these 2 tractors, and I'm going to build them just for does. So when they have them, they got more space in them, is what I'm thinking. I still got that tractor out there, and I can still use that for my buck and my grow outs. But I got to thinking, I want to build these. I'm not going to build them up like those. When I get it done, like I said, this is part 1, and I got out here and I got this floor built yesterday. I've got to go get some more 2x4s. My saws are working great to split this lumber down into 1.5 by 1.5, or they call them 2x2s, but they're only 1.5 by 1.5. But anyway, this is what I'm doing on it. This is just my starting of it. This pen is when you see me get this all done. When I get it all done, then you'll understand it. Because I'm not going to have a bunch of wood in it. I'm just not going to do that. I'm trying to lighten them up, trying to make them lighter and everything, and I can do it. And it's just something that I'm coming up with. People say they get them so heavy that they're wise and their kids can't move them. Well, they'll be able to move these real easy. This is my own design I'm thinking of. I know that I've seen them build them, but I want them where I've got at least two slots in each tractor. But as I get it built, you'll understand it more. I'm making it where the wire is going to be on the inside down here. It's going to be on here. It's not going to be out here. Because what these rabbits do, they get up and they seem to poop on this wood. So I'm going to put the wire on the inside of them. And as I get them done, you'll see them. But that's where I'm at, and I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying to make them as light as possible and yet predator proof, because I'm going to use that 1/2 inch wire. I'm going to use it for the sides, and the top doesn't matter, but on the sides it does, so the babies can't get out. And if they do jump out of the nest boxes, well, I still got this 1/2 and it's on the ground, so they're not gonna be able to go through it. So anyway, that's my thinking behind it. We're gonna try them anyway and see, you know. But anyway, this is part one on this new rabbit tractor design that I'm making, and hopefully I've thought about it long enough and hard enough that I will be happy with it. And also, I'm not going to say this person's name, but I received a large donation from one of my subscribers, and I just want to let him know that I really do appreciate it, especially in these hard times. And people in my position, and with the way the economy's gotten out of hand and everything, it's just hard, especially for us senior citizens. It's just hard for us to live on what the government's given us. So, I didn't think that I worked all my life to end up like I have, but I do, and I'm not complaining. I don't want anybody to think I'm complaining. I'm just disgusted in the way that our government's not taking care of the American citizens. And I think that the American people need to step up and speak out and let the people in Washington know how we actually feel about it. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So I'm not a politician, don't claim to be one, and don't want to be one. So anyway, this is how far I've gotten on this rabbit tractor, and uh, I'm just really, really thankful for uh, that gift, and I just want to let that person know that. I don't know if I said that a while ago or not, but I just wanted to tell him thank you. And so, anyway, I'm going to get off of here. And as I say, uh, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share it with others. Have a blessed day, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.